and we're having finishing touches at our houses.
Hey, let's go to the Pixel Mart. I think it's 7-Eleven of Minecraft. Pixel Mart. Pixel Mart. Go inside, Kristen. I'm going
Where?
to the Pixel Mart. Pixel Mart.
Okay.
Pixel Mart. Wood pack. What is wood pack?
With the minecart. Yeah.
The log.
What is this?
Ilan isang spawn chicken? Ilan yun? $10 or $5?
Tears. You look like you're going.
Let's go elevator. Let's go elevator. We want to go elevator. We don't have any bottom. But top, we had top. Look at the top. Please stop. Oh, poof.
Oh.
Kilala na ako sino yan. Bakit yung Salarasa. Wait! It's Elsa! Elsa, did you really want a snowman? Shut up! Please! Can I beg you? Please shut up, Ian. Man, what's happening to your face? What just happened here? How I get it out of here? No, it's not me. It's fake. You need to win, Shady. You need to drink.
Oh. What happened?
Gian. Why? You're always noisy. Please. At this time.
Hey, wait.
Okay. This is the training place. I am the teacher and you are my classmate. Where's the bowling arrow? This. I will be shooting training.
Shooting training.
Kuya Pierre, saan po nakaget sa bowl? Ready?
No.
Shooting training. Next parkour challenge. Ta ta ta. Look, a parkour challenge. Let's go. This parkour challenge. Level water. Protect the zombies. Kill the villagers. Don't kill the zombies. Just kill the villagers. Just kill the villagers. Wait. Kill the villagers, not the zombies. No, you want a miracle? Did you really want a miracle? Huwag kayo punta dito. Si Freddy Saben. Let's go here. Let's go the wolf. Cow. Skeleton. Cow.
Huling misa niya na ngayon. Why?
It's a miracle bomb! It's a miracle, guys! It's a miracle! It's lots of bombs! Lots of bombs to destroy us! Let's use it! Why? What the heck? You're patay na yun! I'm gonna freaking kill you! Sabi niya, we're stuck here. We're stuck here? No. You're stuck. You're flicking down! I'm gonna I don't get this place anymore. I know. Let's put a bucket of lava. Let's grieve this world. Let's grieve. Living area. Lot of zombies. The Enderman. This is a miracle.
Yes! I'm doing parkour!
No, you are
Is this the parkour?
No, we gonna drink this. Sorry guys, but we gonna drink this or not? Why did you put lava bucket in the parkour? What parkour? This parkour.
I know how to... I only know how to do the one block jump. Let me just try it again.
Just go buy it for
If you don't want to try parkour, then let us.
explode, baby.
Burn, parkour, burn. If you don't want, okay. I will just get out of this world. So yeah guys, so hope you enjoy this video. Subscribe and like for more videos. Bye.